I grew up in San Francisco, and I played my high school baseball at Galileo. I was playing summers with the First Base Foundation and the Bay Area Warriors, led by Noah Jackson. And after high school, I didn't really have any Division I offers. Had a couple junior colleges to choose from. I went to San Mateo because I thought they had the best program. Spent 2 years there. Turned out a couple starts at the end, which Noah Jackson was there for one of them, and forwarded the information along to Mike New, who quickly got in contact with me. Threw a bullpen with him and ended up here. Couldn't be happier. It's a small world. He's a Cal alumni, of course, and always had high praise for the Cal program, even when I was 15, 16 years old, playing for him. And it's really quite a coincidence that now he's coaching me again, and 8 years later. I try and keep my process the same and my work ethic the same, and really believe in the work that I put in. Played my summer ball in Alaska for the second straight year, and having a comfort level there really helped in my development as a player. I could work on what I felt like I needed to work on without too many pressures of really performing for that organization. And this year I've really just done a lot of extra work with pitching coach Mike New, and made a couple minor adjustments in my mechanics, and really just focused on attacking hitters with what I believe is the best pitch in that situation. In Alaska, I had two major points of emphasis. I really wanted to work on getting a functional curveball. Early on in my career, I was pretty much slider dominant, and I wanted to be able to throw a breaking ball with two different speeds in there. And secondly, I wanted to be able to win hitter advantage counts, 2-1 counts, 3-1 counts, 2-0 counts, where you're kind of backed into a corner as a pitcher and you have to throw a pitch that maybe they're looking for. So I was really working on throwing quality fastballs down the zone, quality fastballs inside, where I could get outs when the hitter knew it was coming. I'm Dylan Nelson. I'm from San Francisco, California. Played for the Galileo Lions, the College of San Mateo Bulldogs, and now the California Golden Bears.